Welcome back to the vlog. I'm in the Philippines in the province Pangasinan. In the middle of the province, in a local village. We're actually underway. We took the motorcycle and we're going to the Bolinao Falls. There are 3 Bolinao Falls. This doesn't really picture too well how it looks. I'm pretty sure it looks better in real life, so let's go there.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
50 per head, sir. This one at 50 per head.
So we have to sign in first, 50 per head for the Bolinao Falls 1.
Talking to me, don't you leave me by myself. It's you and me tonight. You know we could get undressed. Look in my eyes and holding me close. I know you won't let go of us. I know you won't let me down.
Very nice. Hey, and we're the only one again.
Yeah.
Good as well. Always love to be the only one. I'm gonna enjoy this first Bolinao Falls 1. Reno is on top already. The thunder already from over there, but I really do want to jump this fall right now.
Dream on, your dream will come alive. Come on, dream on. Come on, dream on. Come on, dream on, boy. Your dream will come alive.
Dreams are the way to express yourself from the heart. Now it's time to depart on a journey for the mind. Peace of mind is what you will find. Lord Martin Luther King, I had a dream that we all would sing in peace and harmony, coming strong. Come on, boy, you got the dream on.
Wow, this stream is actually really heavy. Swim. Most Filipinos actually need the life jacket. Yeah, it was beautiful, right? Yeah, so that was it for the beautiful Bolinao Falls 1. There are 3 falls, 3 Bolinao Falls. And I think Bolinao 1 is the best. I asked which is better, Bolinao 2 or 3, they said 2. check out Bolinao too. And that is where I will end the vlog. When there's a typhoon, this is all full of water, filled with water. So that's really it for Bolinao 1. Going quickly to Bolinao 2. See you there. So this is Bolinao 2. More of a chill environment, wide open space. Some more people here. Just gonna chill in the water, swim a little bit. I really hope you liked the vlog. It was about Bolinao 1. It's my favorite waterfall in here. Oh, this is Bolinao 2. You can see there are more people here. The waterfalls are not so high, but this is just a really nice environment to swim. And that's what I'm going to do. Glad the sun is shining. I thank you so much for watching this vlog. It was my Bolinao Falls experience. Like if you like it, comment down below and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Thank you so much for watching. From Bolinao, Pangasinan, the Philippines. Thank you so much for watching and see you next vlog.